Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can earn the Polkadot coin. It's quite easy to get this done. In this tutorial video, I'm going to be making use of the Talisman wallet, which we can simply access through the Kiwi browser. Make sure you have the Kiwi browser installed, and once you've installed the Kiwi browser, open it up and make use of the Talisman wallet. The Talisman wallet is basically a web wallet. So guys, in order to stake or start earning from staking, all you need to do is simply head over from your portfolio, which is here, to the staking option that's here. Once there, the asset we're going to be staking is the DOT, which is this token here. So click on DOT. The account is already the Polka wallet, which is our main account. Once you've done this, simply click on the stake option. Enter the amount you wish to stake. Let's say we have 100 DOT tokens to stake. We're going to be staking on the Talisman pool and an estimated earning of $78.07 from this particular staking option. So guys, in order to stake, make sure you have the amount you wish to stake and simply hit the stake option. By doing this, you get to stake and accumulate profits over time, which you could then compound to gain even higher interest. So guys, that's one method of staking your Polkadot. Another method of earning the Polkadot coin is quite simple. All you need to do is simply minimize and open up a centralized exchange known as Binance. Once you're on the Binance platform, make sure you have an account. And if you do not have an account, by using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify your account. So guys, with a verified account, how do you earn more Polkadot coins? It's quite easy to get this done. Head over to the wallet section at the bottom right corner of the screen. You're dropped at the overview where you simply scroll to your spot or funding wallet depending on where the Polkadot token is. Once you found the Polkadot, click on the Polkadot token. Simply click on Earn Polkadot up to 71.71%. And we're going to be working with the low risk staking option. So click on the DOT token. Enter the amount. The minimum is 0.001. So enter the amount you wish to stake and simply click on confirm. As you can see, the interest date is shown and the next subscription date is shown as well. So basically, you're going to be locking your assets for a couple of days. Let's go for 30 days or a flexible amount of days. You could select the number of days or the duration of days you wish. So now simply click on the confirm option. Once you've done this, we've successfully subscribed our DOT token, our DOT coin or the Polkadot, and we can begin earning from this Polkadot as time goes on. And we can also earn extra when we compound our profits. So guys, that's how you can easily earn the Polkadot tokens. You can find it in the earning wallet alongside your other earning tokens. As you can see here, the DOT is under the flexible lock and the appreciation is shown as well. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can earn the Polkadot coin and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.